Welcome to our geometry class. Today the topic is trigonometric radius with radicals, sine, cosine, and tan. Our problem for today is find the cosine of the angle D. We have this right triangle. All these radius belong to our right triangles. Okay, our right triangle is here. So this is B, angle BCD. So the side BD is equals to the side BC is equals 3, and then the side the hypotenuse is a square root of 13. All right. Before let me you remember the definition of the cosine. So if we have a right triangle, for instance here, a right triangle, this is a right triangle, right? So this is our right triangle, and then we have this is a right. So the definition of cosine is cos of angle x, it is equals to we call adjacent side. This is the adjacent side, or divided by hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is this side. Okay, adjacent, this is opposite side. This is adjacent side. And this is hypotenuse. Okay, this is our definition for cosine. Let's try to find the answer. Our first problem, and then the first step, we need to write the definition first. Okay, the definition of cosine is cos angle D, in this case, this example, it will be equals here, like I told you, it's adjacent side over hypotenuse. This is a definition of cosine. Okay, next step, substitute. We have to substitute by the letters. In the top we have adjacent. Where is adjacent? Adjacent is BD or DB, right? So BD divided by hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is CD. Okay, CD. So this called substitute. This step substitute adjacent equals BD, and hypotenuse equals CD. So this is this step. So now next step, just plug it in the numbers. So plug in BD equals 2, and CD equals square root number 13. Okay, so let's do it. 2 and square root 13. Okay, after this we have to rationalize these numbers. So just write these numbers. We have to multiply here by square root 13, right? So this step is called rationalize the denominator. All right, rationalize the denominator. Next is now multiply. Next step, multiply. So multiply. If you multiply, you will have actually here the answer 2 times square root 13 divided by 13. See? So then our conclusion. So cosine of angle D is equals 2 square root 2 square root 13 divided by 30. So that's our answer. That is our answer, okay? Right? Okay, let's try to solve, and let me show another problem. Let me show you another problem belong to this trigonometric radius with radicals. Okay, the next problem, we have to find the tangent. Okay, find the tangent. Okay, let me make a picture of my triangle. Is right here. My triangle right here. Remember, we have to make be sure is your triangle is right triangle. Oh, this is okay, something like that. So this is the corner, or the angle says Q, and then R, P. Let's give you the values here: 3, 7, and square root 58. Okay, and then this is the 90 degrees. Remember, it's a right triangle. Okay, so we have to find the tangent of angle Q, right? Find the tangent of angle Q. All right, so next step. So we have to take the formula for the tangent. Okay, we have to take the formula for the tangent. What is the formula for the tangent? So remember, we are talking about the right triangle. This is a right triangle. So tangent, or tan, just write tan of angle X right here. This is the definition of tangent. So opposite side is be divided by the adjacent side. So this is the definition of the tangent. Okay. Opposite side is this way. Adjacent side is this one. See? After this, let's write the first step. Okay, so tan of angle Q equals, like I told you, so opposite side divided by adjacent side. So this is definition of tangent. Okay, next step, we have to substitute here. Opposite is equals, how much is the opposite side? We're talking about this angle. Opposite side is PR or RP, all right? PR. And adjacent side is equals, what is adjacent? Is this one. This one is QR. Okay, so PR right here, QR. Now we have to plug it in. Plug in PR, how much is PR? PR is 3, and QR is equal 7. See? Okay, just write here 3 divided by 7. Right? Very easy, simple. So now next step, is that's it. That is this is the last step. No more step here. Then our conclusion. So our answer. So tangent of angle Q, tangent of angle Q is equals 3 divided by 7. This is our answer belong to our question. Okay, trigonometric radius with radicals, sine, cosine, and tangent. Are you waiting for you tomorrow? Thank you so much. Thank